In your previous lesson, you have learned how to add integers. There are rules you need to follow. Number 1, when the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. Number 2, when the signs are different, subtract and use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Let's try the following. Add the following integers. Number 1, 11 plus 9.
20.
That's right. Number 2, negative 7 plus negative 4.
Negative 11.
That's correct. It's negative 11. Number 3, 15 plus negative 7.
Positive 8.
Correct. It's positive 8. Number 4, negative 20 plus 17.
Negative 3.
That is correct. It's negative 3. Number 5, 26 plus negative 30.
It's negative 4.
That's right. It's negative 4. And number 6, negative 10 plus 4.
That is negative 6.
Very good. It's negative 6. Now, let us start our discussion starting with the rules in subtracting integers. Subtraction rule. To subtract two integers, add the opposite or additive inverse of the subtrahend to the mean. That is, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is equal to a plus negative b. Then, follow the rules for addition of integers. Okay, let's have examples. Number 1, 7 minus 3 is... Okay, let's keep the first number, 7, change minus to plus, and then get the opposite of the subtrahend, and that is negative 3. And then let's follow the addition rule in adding two numbers having different signs. 7 minus 3 is 4, and keep the sign of the larger number, that is positive. When you're subtracting a larger number by a smaller number, the answer is always positive. Kahit hindi mo na i-apply yung rule, no? It's just like 6 minus 5, so that is 1. 7 minus 2, that is 5, and so on and so forth. Number 2, 4 minus 5. Keep the first number, change minus to plus, get the opposite of 5, and that is negative 5, and then perform addition rule. 4 plus negative 5, that is 5 minus 4, 1, and keep the sign of the larger, which is negative. So here, when you are subtracting a smaller number by a larger number, the answer is always negative. Let's have 6 minus 10. So here, the difference is negative 4. 7 minus 12, the difference is negative 5. Number 3, 2 minus negative 4. So keep the first number, change minus to plus, take the opposite of negative 4, and that is positive 4. Perform addition rule. 2 plus 4. So that's 6. So here, when you encounter two negative signs na magkatabi, you just perform addition. So say 3 minus negative 5. So we have a smiley here. And then this turns to plus. So that is simply 3 plus 5, and that is 8. Another 10 minus negative 6. So that is smiley, so plus 10 plus 6 is 16. Number 4, negative 3 minus 5. Keep the first number, change minus to plus, take the opposite of 5, which is negative 5. Again, follow the addition rule. Negative 3 plus negative 5, you're adding two numbers having the same signs, which are negative. So 3 plus 5, that is 8, and then keep the sign negative. And number 5, negative 5 minus negative 2. Keep the first number, negative 5. Change minus to plus. Take the opposite of negative 2, that is positive 2. Follow addition rule in adding two numbers having different size. So 5 minus 2, that's 3. Keep the sign of the larger, that is negative. Okay, so that's how you subtract integers. Shoutout nga pala kay Mr. Sausage from STE Newton.